So where to stay? Stay.
Hello guys, and what's going on everybody? So today I'll be showing you which editing software do most of the tech YouTubers use. So two of the most used video editing softwares are Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro. First off, let's start from who I think is the most honest tech YouTuber, one and only Box Therapy. He uses Final Cut Pro. Jonathan Morrison uses Final Cut Pro. Marquez from MKBHD uses Final Cut Pro. Dave 2D uses Adobe Premiere. Austin Evans uses Final Cut Pro. Zach from Jerry Rig Everything uses Adobe Premiere. NEISTAT uses Final Cut Pro. Linus Tech Tips uses Adobe Premiere. Technical GURUJI uses Final Cut Pro. Your average consumer uses Final Cut Pro. Mr. Who's the Boss uses Final Cut Pro. Sarah Taichi uses Adobe Premiere. Armando uses Adobe Premiere Pro. Theo Joe uses Adobe Premiere. IJUSTINE uses Final Cut Pro. And LORA uses Final Cut Pro. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this helps you out if you're looking to get started in video editing, and don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And this is Mohammed Bilal signing out.
With the cold